You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. My name is Renata and this is the Twilight Stitcher. In today's video, I am going to share with you my sewing plans for the month of January. If you guys are interested, please meet me in the next section where I share with you the patterns that I'll be working on for this month. Hi. So it has been quite a while since I've done a sewing plans video. I don't do them often because I love to go my own way, but I feel like for this year, at least to help me stay on track, is to do these plans video. I'm sorry if I don't always make exactly what I say that I would each month, but it will help me. So let's start with the first item that I would like to work on this month. We have here the Interstellar hoodie as well as the lunar joggers. This is from Bella Loves Pattern. Here they are, and you guys are aware, most of you should know, at least I hope so, that I have been wanting to complete this UFO for a long time. I had pattern tests for Bella Loves and I've made both these patterns before. I just wanted to make them in a fabric that I love and create a set with it. So let me take you through the fabric that I'll use for both projects. Okay, so this is the fabric, and I've showed this many times on the channel, but it's actually cut out. As you guys can see, here is a part of the sleeve. So it's already cut out and ready to go. This is a beautiful fleece back knit fabric from Mood, and I love it. I like the feel that it has on the back. It's really going to be a comfortable hoodie, and I cannot wait to complete and share with you guys at the end of the month, as well as the Luna. So let me just go grab the Luna pattern over here. And I'm going to correct myself because it's not the Luna pattern but the actual fabric. And here we have this really pretty sort of burnt orange fabric. This too came from Mood. It is a ponte knit. It has really good stretch and a really nice recovery. I think it would really go well together. So those are the first patterns I would like to tackle this month. I'll keep you guys updated as I'm going to try my best to share Friday sews every week in this year. We'll see, fingers crossed, right? So let's move on to the next pattern. The next pattern that will be worked on this month, and I know I mentioned this fabric last month. It is this really pretty one from Minerva, and I didn't get to work on it. So this is the fabric that I'm going to be using to create this birder style, and I really hope it works. Let me know what you guys think. This is birder style. What is the design? It's from the October issue. It is a 105A, and I think it's going to look really good because of all the details that the pattern has. I think it's going to really accentuate this pattern, but let me know what you guys think because I'm pretty open to ideas for this particular fabric because it's so pretty. I don't want to waste it on a mediocre pattern that just doesn't do the design justice and you cannot see all the beautiful faces on it. So I'm looking for you guys for some help with that one. Now the next pattern, and this is something that I have spoken about for a year and I haven't done it, but I've seen so many people make the Marlowe sweater that it is on my list, and I have a bluish sort of French terry fabric that will work really nicely for this because guess what? A year ago I bought it for this pattern, but I'm thinking I'm going to go with the short version, so a short caddy instead of the longer one, just because that works really well for me. Let me show you the fabric that I'm speaking of. 1 second. Okay, so I have the fabric here, and to be honest, I think the reason I haven't made the Marlowe is just that I haven't been confident in this fabric, because it's such a, I don't know, it feels really thin, like really thin. This is the Tilio Splendid French Terry fabric, and this one I picked up from fabric.com a year ago, but just look at the fabric, and it is so thin, like it doesn't have any body, and maybe that's why I didn't make the pattern last year. But I do like the color. It has that sort of denim coloring. This might actually be good for a jogger, so maybe I'll change my mind about using this fabric, but this is the initial thoughts for that pattern. So let me show you the last pattern that I want to make for this month. I think I have a fabric to work with it, but as always, I'd love to know your thoughts and just what you would do with this pattern that I'm going to share with you shortly. So the last project that I'm considering for this month is the Jennifer Lauren Esme. I believe it's the original Esme top, this one right here. And I have two fabrics, and I've been wanting to use the blue for this top. So this is a nice lightweight polyester knit fabric from who? Let me think. Zuluf. Yes, so this is from Zuluf. It's really nice. It's lightweight. It's not see-through, so that's great, but it has a really nice nice stretch to it. I think this would look really pretty in it, so I'm trying to go for more solids this year, but I also have this fabric, and I think it's a real quick make, so who knows how things turn out. This month I might make two, but don't hold me to that. Anyways, this is the second option for the Esme for my January sewing plans. So guys, there you have it. What do you think? Are they good plans? I didn't want to have a lot of intense projects for the month, just because coming off the Little Red Dress project and making those fabulous dresses, as well as just going through the whole motion of organizing and posting and sharing for the challenge, it was pretty overwhelming and time consuming, and I just really wanted to relax and create simple pieces that are almost wardrobe basic, but just light-hearted projects to just kind of ease me into the year. And I think these are good, but I'd like to know what you guys think. Other than that, that's it. I will see you on another upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, I would love for you to consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm